I'm dripping. Blue water Fiji, Balenciaga Ricky.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Listen, guys. So guys, that is the dance tutorial for this trendy sound currently by your favorite musician, Rema, guys. My favorite musician, Rema, guys, and it's trending everywhere. Trending on TikTok, trending on YouTube, trending on Instagram, Facebook, whatever social media I think you can call. Now, in case you're new here, my name is Teoluckzboom. I do dance tutorial, dance challenges for you guys to watch and see. Now, in case you're not seeing my videos, you can kindly check on my channel, on my page to watch the videos that I've uploaded there. And now, guys, let's dive right into the tutorial. So the first step in this tutorial is, I just want to have fun. Yeah, don't mind me, guys. I don't know the lyrics very much, but let's just go. I just want to have fun. We don't hear too much. We don't hear too much. Oh yeah, I'm dripping. Oh, I'm dripping. So the first one is 1, 2. 1, 2, guys. So you carry left forward and backward. This 1, 2. Let's go 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I'm dripping. First step, guys. Once you do 1, 2, the next step is so you move forward. Like you actually moving in zigzag, guys. In zigzag, your leg following your hand. So it's 1, 2, 3. So it's oh, I'm dripping. Let's go 5 from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, I'm dripping. Challenge, see ya, guys. Guys, let's go. Start 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm dripping. 1, 2. That's the next step, guys. Let's go. Start 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm dripping. 1, 2. So that the next step, guys, is this 1, 2. So you raise your right leg up. Your left hand up, your right hand up, your left leg up. So it's 1, 2. So I make sure you are shaking your body like this for that step. From the start, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Hope you are following me, guys. Hope you are following me, guys. In case you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe down below, like this video, and comment what you think about the dance tutorial. Let's continue. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. That's it, guys. Everyone start. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Let's go one more time, guys. One more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So that's after I've done that step. The next thing to do is to do this leg walk. 1, 2. Follow me, guys. Let's go. 1, 2. Right leg forward. Left leg forward. So it's 1, 2. Follow me, guys. 1, 2. 1, 2. So guys, I'm stamping my feet for you to catch the move for both your right leg and your left leg. So it's 1, 2. So it's 1, 2. Go. 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2. Listen, guys. Let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. Listen, guys. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's it, guys. And in case after you have done this step, the next step to do is to go back and go forward. 4, come back. So it's your left leg coming this way, right leg coming like this. So it's like this, then you go back. Something like a reverse, guys. Something like a reverse. So watch my feet, guys. Watch my feet. So something like this. Go forward. Go forward. So let's dance that from the beginning, guys. From the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm feeling. Tell me what I'm feeling. And I see I got dripping. I sing, guys. After you use your leg up, you do 1, 2. So that after that dance, like, okay, in case you are watching this video, kindly subscribe down below for me, guys. Subscribe for me, like this video, share to your friends, guys. Want to learn this Rema fun, guys. Let's dance. Dance is so sweet, guys. It's just so sweet. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. From the start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, go. So guys, what you do? 1, 1, 2, you go. Once you come back, let's do this to kick to your left, kick to your right. It's 1 to your right, 1 to your left. Follow me, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. I think guys, so it's right leg 1, back 4, left leg 1, 4, 5, 6. Let's do everything together, guys, in fast pace. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. From the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. And no more dripping. You are no feeling. And then see I got dripping. I think, guys. So that's it, guys. So once you are comfortable with that one, the next step we do is to do 1, 2. Just your right leg and left leg sliding back in, let's say in a parabolic form. Or let's say in curving motion, guys. Just curve it. It's like C, guys. So it's 1, 2. Let's go. 5, 6, 7 together. 1, 2. It's your money. That's step, guys. So it's 1, 2. It's your money. I following, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. It's your money. Let's go from the start, guys. From the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. You don't want to have fun. I just want to have fun. I don't want to run. We are one dripping. Get a little more feeling. But I see I got dripping. Listen, guys. So just see, then you hit your money. So that's it, guys. In case you are still watching the video, kindly subscribe down below for me. Let's go. Now, the next step after that is to you fall forward. Once you do 1, 2, you fall forward. Once you fall forward, you do the punch. And I'm going to the other side. So you punch. Let's go. You punch, guys. 5, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. You punch. So let's go from the start, guys. From the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Go side. Hit to the left. Hit to the right. See, money. Fall forward. Take your punches. That's it, guys. After you fall forward, you take the punches, guys. Let's go on the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. Go to the side. Hit to your right and hit to your left. See. Take your money off for the front. Take your punches. That's it, guys. So, guys, once you have learned up to this extent, all you have to do is to keep perfecting it up to that extent. So you perfect punch. But the next step to do is to you go down. So you serve like you want to serve something. You're going to bring something up. You're going to bring something up. And you ain't bringing anything up, guys. Just do 1. And once you show it, you cancel. Cancel, guys. So it's 1, 2, 3. Cancel. That's it. So it's 1, 2, 3. Cancel. Let's go when we start, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. Go to the side. March to the left. March to the right. Side. Take your money. Go to the front. March like this. Start something 3 times. 1, 2. That's it, guys. Hope you are following, guys. Let's do it one more time. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Go to the side. 1, 2. 1, two, side, go. Go to your right, go to your left. See, it's your money. Fall to the front, take your punches. Go and serve something 3 times. 1, 2. You guys are following me, guys. Let's go. Now the next step after that is, once you have done 1, 2, let's say you stand up, you hit your leg like this. Like you hit 1, as you're following the beat, so you are not get competition. My energy na para. 1, 2. From the start, let me know from the start up to this point, so I can be able to see it. From the start, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't get competition. My energy, Listen, guys. So you hit, turn, 1, 2. So remember, once you hit, turn to the other side, so it's turn, then you go back 2 times. 1, 2, face side, and you answer forward, so your neck is going like this, guys. Like this. So that's it, guys. Just your body will stay stationary, and your neck will be moving like this, to and fro. Let's do one more time from the beginning. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Listen, guys. That is it, guys. That is dance tutorial for you guys. Let's do it in slow-mo, guys. Let's do it one more time in slow-mo for you guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1. Sorry, something like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Shake the money. 4 to the front. Bends like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cancel. And you stand up. And you 1. Bang, bang. 2. 1, 2. Go forward. So guys, that is dance in slow-mo. In case you like this video, kindly like this video, share it with your friends. Subscribe for me, guys. Turn on the notification bell for you to see whenever I'm uploading other videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. But don't forget to watch 2 videos over here. I'll see you guys in my next video.